Star FM.
Yeah, so next week she'll be coming through on the same Dancer Remedy along with Faceless. And I'll tell you the third guest. It's gonna be Wicked. And then after that, the following week, I'm gonna try to get Enzo Aishal, Master H, and Uncle Epperton and Bazooka in the studio. I tell you, this is the month of Ghetto Youths. I know I've talked to Bazooka and Boss Pomako and Enzo Aishal before, but I'm gonna try to get them once more back in the studio. I'll make sure that I'll talk to Fanta nicely, to Chidafu. Jalady, from Jalady, we enter Gita Goria, Singoma Zinorira, Somaenda Gutoroba Mkoma, Galis Records, Water Team, Wicked. Getting dancehall from the four corners of Zimbabwe. Gosso. Pull it one more time. Why say Gita Korea? Mr. Hex Kwarara Wakwan and Masebele Baganyanya. Wicked. Go Minorita. Boys Ziriba Gazebo, boys Zagida, what do you say? Upon night shift to Papa, Lugu Zega, Pagaipa, 11:30 all time, start them to the fullest. So Gita Goria is a ghetto youth, coming from Chi-Town if I'm not mistaken. He's on the rise. I had him just a couple of weeks ago in the studio. Adam Cheeky. A big shout out to the Reverend Titus Manjengwa. Hey, Tampo, how you doing? Anzi Fanori Creative, Uncle Lee, Wagwan brother. Introducing another artist, a double artist.
Tune after tune.
Pop 10, Uncle Epperton. And they got Funga.